Well, how Hunter chilling to do this? Year the Queen Quet coming to Hunter right here from the Chuck. Now you know I did Chuck tongue a lot and things like that, but great God idea because of this year thing will come out a curious matter of men with wings. Don't check him because his wing ain't did it, but he did inside this your book. Now if you say, great God, what Queen to do with the book, Commander? What I got for doing we? Because we did in the book. Okay, so Hunter children, this is 100 teachers up here in Charleston County, though. Y'all might recognize that face and say, he ain't been a bother my children in class. I hope not. But he do teach them art and writing and all that kind of good thing. So we glad to now welcome the author. All right, Rutledge, how you doing, man?
I'm great.
How you feel about today?
Man, I'm so excited.
I know so you are. And you got a whole bunch of people excited.
A whole bunch of people.
I thought I couldn't get up in here. They was out on the sidewalk.
Are you kidding me? I had like
Street.
5 people making sure you were going to get back here.
Oh, yeah, they
That's
did.
Right.
When
Escort
they opened the door,
here.
they were like, Queen Quit. I was like, where's he?
That's right.
Don't tell him I'm here. All right, but it's so wonderful. I'm glad that I had an opportunity to see this one. It was in manuscript form.
That's right. You were one of the first people to see it.
Yes, and it's a lot thinner now.
It is.
They don't know what I had to read.
That's
you were
right.
like, here's a box. Here you go. But now, tell the people, why did you hand me that manuscript? Why would you give me the manuscript to read? What's the big deal with this book?
What's the big deal is, well, really the point of the book for me is to tell the story of Charleston. And I don't believe that you can tell the story of Charleston without the Gullah people. And I wanted to make sure that I was respecting and honoring my brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
And so I wanted to make sure everything was good and kosher
and great, good to go.
Good to go.
There you go.
That's right.
Before you take flight with this book.
That's right.
So now we don't want to give away the plot, but as the author, what's with this title? I mean, yes, a curious makes us curious. Okay, matter of men would be one thing, but men with wings.
Right.
So what you want to tell us to make people really that are curious about why am I talking to you on my show? What would make them want to go get this book?
Well, actually, I also believe magic is at the heart of Charleston,
Okay.
and particularly the Sea Islands and the Low Country. And I love our storytelling tradition. And one of my favorite stories growing up that my grandmother used to tell me was the story of the men with wings, the flying people, the old Gullah tale about in Africa everybody's born with wings.
Yes.
And I wrote, it's basically Southern fabulism. So it's imagining if that was real, if they're actually still flying them on the Sea Islands, and what would happen if people came across them and found out they were there.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So interesting, and I'm not going to tell you whether they're there or not. That's part of the story, y'all.
Right. That's right.
But definitely, I love that it's fabulous.
That's right.
All right, so this is a fabulous day, fabulous opportunity. I have to commend you for getting through this. You don't know how many manuscripts I suffered through during the years. And then, when's the book coming out? When's the book coming out? When's the book coming out? And we're still working on it. You know, it'll be years. And so when I suddenly got this message that there's a book release, I'm like, oh, who's releasing a book now? And so your name was like, are you kidding? And he didn't send this to me first? What date is this? And then because I was going to be here already, because this is during the Moja celebration.
That's right.
All right. I said, well, oh, how divinely timed.
Perfect.
I would just swoop in and pick up my books.
That's right.
And swoop out and get to the next event. But I truly pray that you have success and that success takes flight just like this. But I'm telling y'all, I read a lot. I write a lot. On my break times, I like to go into the world of novels. So coming into a fabulous place like the Sea Islands, this is an opportunity to get a little peek in there. And I know Hunter Children going to ask me, leader, Queen, some of that true ain't it? The thing with in there, I ain't going to tell you. I ain't going to tell you. Because that's another thing, too much of people like him still trying to figure out if we still got we wing or not. All right? So thank you so much, and thank you for definitely respecting Gullah Geechee culture and including this. And I know the story's going to fly to a lot of places. Hopefully I'll fly some places with you.
That's right.
And we'll
That's right.
share some words out loud and audio. So it's wonderful, but definitely we're so glad and where else would he have it? Tell them what bookstore is standing in Rutledge.
Blue Bicycle.
The Blue Bicycle.
That's right.
So of course I walked in the door and ladies were dressed in indigo. And I just left a building where indigo was all over the walls. So you know me, I believe in divine order. And so that cotton rice and indigo is still growing, and the richness of it all is still coming forward, flying to you in the bookstores where Hunter to be. Make sure you take that journey. Get curious about this matter of men with wings. About to take off. Peace and blessings, everybody.